Okay, go.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Portia. I am Janet B. Pimentel. So we will be performing the pre-final requirement, which is the activity of a blindfold disability. So I'll be handing here a white cane and also the chalk one to my eyes. And this is now our venue, the Balulang National High School. So from this area, this is the area of the SBM office going to the principal office, and our target point is the SNED classroom. We're in at the corner, there is a CR there. So I'll be going to the CR. Okay, I'll be starting right now. I'll be getting this one, and I'll be blindfolding myself. Okay. Okay, I think it's already secure, Judith. Okay, together with me as the videographer is Ma'am Judith Dorinaga.
Do not. No.
Okay, this is not a white cane. This is how I do the gripping of my white cane. So I'll be moving my right foot backward to start with. Okay, now. So to start with, when my foot is backward, where the right foot is backward, this white cane is pointing at the left side. Okay, I think there's somebody who bumped me. I think this is the table. This is the
Okay. Okay, move forward. Still a long way to go. Keep moving.
Okay. Okay, I think this is the chair. Another chair.
Okay, I think you have 2 more steps. Our CR is on your right.
Okay, this is the wall now. Okay, this is the wall.
Yes, yes, yes. Don't worry. Already open
now. Okay. I want to show you. I think this is the CR. And this is the KL. And this is, okay, this is the faucet. I'll find the lavatory. Okay, I think this is the lavatory. Okay, this is now. So I think I finally made going from the SBM office, from the principal's office until I came here at the SNED CR. I think I did it right. Thank you.